Big fail. Do not buy these off of eBay or Amazon. Stay away. Jegs, you could probably get it, but look at the price here, guys. You're looking at $600. And let me tell you something. For the amount of rust on this car, I wouldn't invest $600 for a head. I wouldn't. It's not that I don't think the car can't be brought back to life. It's that I don't think the car is worth the money. And when you look at cars like this and you have to make that decision, you weigh all factors. That's the pro tip. Weigh all the factors. Does it have rust? Okay. Does it have high miles? Has it had any maintenance done to it at all? And if the answer is no, this is all blaring red flags, guys. All red flags. But you are looking at spending at least $500 for a head. Like I said, don't buy them from Amazon. Do not buy them from eBay. Gotta stay away from there. I have not bought from Cylinder Heads International. They may have pretty good heads. I have not tried them. The biggest thing is look at the price points. This is how you decide. When you're looking at the price points here, you can see the cheapest one goes for under $300. You get one here that's a refurbished on the higher end of $300. I bought a refurbished, and it was still. So I would be saying you're in this ballpark to refurbish that head. You know what? Hold up. Pro tip. You're going to do this. Take the head that you have on the car off and fix that head. Take it to a machine shop that can machine out that head properly, put new guides in it, and put the head back together properly. Reuse what you've got. Here's the reason why. By reusing what you got, you know what you have. And you can actually get more power out of it when you do that. Because when you shave the head to deck it, you're bringing the combustion chamber down and to gain more compression. That compression is going to equal more horsepower. I was able to prove that in the Saturn SC1 that I rebuilt. That car could not pull a hill in third gear without having to downshift into second because the motor was getting tired. Motor was getting tired because the rings had gotten seized up inside the pistons and were not holding tight. It was getting too much blow-by. That caused the rebuild. When I actually machined a head and got it put on, it raised the horsepower enough that I was able to pull that very same hill in fifth gear. It was a 5-speed. 5-speed manual. I was able to pull the very same hill in fifth gear. So that tells you guys that what it means when we rebuild something. When we rebuild it, we need to rebuild it better than what we got it from the factory. But yeah, seeing stuff like this, guys.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm usually far more composed. I'm just a little bit absolutely livid.
Because I know they're taking shortcuts. I know they're cutting corners. When they sell this head for this much, guaranteed, they cut some corners, and you're going to pay the price. Because you're going to wind up taking that head back off because you're thinking, it's a refurbished head. I can put it on and I'm not going to have any problems. Wrong. You're going to have nothing but problems. And the reason you're going to have nothing but problems is because they cut the corners. You're not going to see it because it's all in machining. We're talking very, very small imperfections. When a head is not perfectly flat, it doesn't seal, meaning the head gasket won't seal. That's not something your naked eye is going to see. That's the problem with that.